Yeah, because it won't be in your GoPro.
Oh, okay. Okay.
There's just a couple deep little spots where you fall into a creek, but I don't remember anything else crazier than that, so.
Well, good thing is, I fall over in creeks, so that's okay. Or mud holes. What was that one I fell over in? Low gas on the 250L.
Oh gosh.
Remember that? It was so cold.
Yep. Yep. Going down into a creek. Oh no.
What?
Forgot about this.
Well, the worst comes to worst, I don't make it, somebody has to come get it.
Okay.
I'll let you get a little ways up there before I come.
Alright. I don't think you're probably not going to make it, but if you don't, I just want you to make sure you fall to the left. Because if you fall to the right, you got a long fall, you see what I mean?
Yeah, just know that I'm probably gonna fall to the right. He's telling me not to fall to the right, but I know it's where I'm gonna go.
Yeah. Keep some momentum, you might make it. It's pretty dry today.
Nope.
You got it! Now lean uphill. Good. Now turn your wheel that direction. Yep. Let the bike roll a little bit if you need to. Keep it leaned against the hill. Against the hill. There you go. I'd stay right there. There's one more spot. This one you don't have to worry about falling to either side. You're just gonna keep as much momentum and give it a bunch of gas in first gear and just unzai it, okay?
Okay.
I can't believe you made that. That was freaking awesome. Bonsai. Oh, give it gas! Oh! Can you give it gas from there? Alright, hold on.
I almost made it, but I was sliding out the back.
You got off. You started wheeling.
What I need to do?
Just give it some
Ready?
gas. I'll push you. Yeah. Give it gas. Let off the clutch. You're not turning the wheel. Hold the brake.
I couldn't reach.
You gotta give it gas.
I'm getting so tired.
Your wheel is not spinning at all. It's rolling backwards. You gotta let that thing eat. There you go. Now turn your wheel to the left. Yeah, there you go.
You got to give me a second.
Yeah, we'll catch our breath. Catch our breath for a minute. I couldn't believe that's called quick capture.
Oh.
So when you hit the top button to stop it now, it turns itself back off.
Oh. Okay. I'll probably fall over here. Pay no attention. Oh no, what are you doing?
I'm just driving. You're not ready for the log hops yet?
No. I'm just trying to keep from falling over. Gosh, my arms were so weak, I'm glad we stopped for a minute. I wasn't going to make it much farther.
Oh, yeah, you would have.
Refreshed. Keith Louise. Show off. Oh, and my pant legs all jacked up. Alright. Fine, something's grabbing me on my bike. Hold on, I gotta stop.
Oh, it's that? Yeah.
Yeah, hang on, it's grabbing my pant leg. sorry. I was grabbing my pant leg.
Alright, there's quite a ravine down here.
Oh, great.
You're gonna gently roll down, you get your front wheel into the bottom, and then give it some gas.
I'm probably gonna fall over. Oh my gosh, that's scary. That is really scary.
It's not. It's real easy.
I'm scared.
Just get your butt over the rear fender. Squeeze the brakes.
Okay. Okay.
Very gentle in the bottom.
I'm scared. I'm really scared.
There you go.
No! Okay.
Alright, there's another one.
Oh gosh!
Do the same thing again. But you get up it, lean uphill. Lean uphill. There you go. There you go. See, look at that. That's pretty advanced stuff right there.
Okay.
Off camber.
Oh, great. Ow, tree.
What?
That was close.
What on earth?
I hit that thing. My front wheel washed out almost. Told you. Alright. Where are we at?
Wait, where'd you at? You quit?
I'm coming. I just got stuck. Where are you at? Oh, I see you. Ow! Gosh.
Alright, one more little climb here. This one you've got for sure. Just bonsai it, alright? It's supposed to go left, but you could just keep going straight, okay?
Okay.
Watch
And are you going straight?
Yeah, I'm just gonna go straight.
I'll wait till you get to the top. Oh God. Okay.
You've got it. Keep a little momentum and you'll coast right up it.
Ow, my foot!
Look at that. You can just keep going. Don't even stop. Keep going. Look at that. Ran over a sapling?
Hurry!
There you go. Give her some gas. Look at that. Nice. Just did your first black.
That's scary.
Just did her first black. Nice. All right. I think we go that way.
Dang it!
Don't we? Yeah. Yeah, we gotta go back that way.
Can I turn right here, maybe? I'm not good at turning. Nope, I don't got it.
You got that. Whoa!
She's gonna take Mason out.
About.
Okay.
Did you think you'd end up doing your first black trail today?
No. You got me.
Wasn't that bad?
No, I didn't. I just get nervous. My pants are now getting caught on my shroud guards that go with this bike.
Oh no. $330.
I think
How
I'm
did
still
we
recording.
start?
Right before 2, I think. Or right at 2. Oh, crap.
Alright, you want to try 56?
Or... Oh, no way I can make it up that turn right here.
Down there and turn around.